Hi everyone, my name is Vivek Rathod. Today we are going to learn how to design a full ladder in Verilog for a vending machine coin counter. This circuit helps the vending machine add coins automatically and keep track of the total. Now open your Xylene ISC app. After opening your app, you can click on files. You can click now on new project. Do the project name. So I'm going to project name vending machine adder. Now click on next, create a new source. Here you can see a Verilog module. Vending, I'm giving the name of vending. So click on next option. Give your inputs. Now I'm going to giving my inputs. Coin one, coin two, CE, some. So this is my output. After clicking this, click here. You can show. You can see here output. Now I'm going to last output. Click here, select output option. Okay, now click next option. So finish, next, next. Here you can finish it. So this is my code. Let's look at the inputs and output of the model. Here coin one, new coin one, input C in, sum, its output, sum or carry. So this model uses the full adder logic. Here you can also see formula of its now how it works. Some tell the result of the adding three input and carry tell if we need to add one to the next higher byte. This is exactly how a vending machine keeps track of the total money when multiple coins are inserted. Now save this code. After saving, check syntax. So here you can check syntax. So my code is okay now. Now click on this new source. Select test bench waveform. Give a name it for it. Or no, give a name machine for it. Click on next option. Finish. Select combinational for internal. Finish it. Here you can give your inputs. Now I am giving here inputs. So save it and click the cut it. After cutting it, click on behavior simulation. Here you can see a Xylem ISC simulator. Click on it. You can see here a simulate behavioral model. Click on it. After clicking it, go on simulation. Here you can see in my inputs and my output. So thank you.